What's up, everybody? My name is TheJordan. Today is February 17th of February, and I wanted to give you a quick unboxing that I did, that I received today. And so today I stopped by Brandsmart in Kennesaw, Georgia, and I talked to George. He's the general manager up there, and did a good job. Let me give you the card. Let me show you the card. So, and what I did, that's the back part as well. What I did, I went over there and got me a TV because, I want to do certain stuff. So when I do the singing and stuff, and I can actually have you on a TV where you can see yourself and stuff like that. So I can kind of move my stuff kind of upstairs. So what I got on the unboxing, as you can see, I have me a 65-inch TV. Let's go. Let's dissect this as we go through this process. So we got a Samsung. Let me lower it down so you can see it. You know what I mean? We got a Samsung, a wide range of colors. We got a crystal UHD 65-inch TV, where you could use Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV, Disney. And it works well with the Alexa, Apple AirPlay, Google Home, and it's at 4 Ultra HD. So I just want y'all to see this, you know what I mean? So we're gonna do an unboxing of it, you know what I mean? And on top of it, I also got me the tilted low profile flat panel wall mount. So when I put it on the wall, it's gonna all come down. And you know what? It was on sale today. It was on sale. So after we found out, the people that take me to my doctor's appointment and everything, they told me it was on sale. And I said, let's go get it. So I got all this stuff for under $500. So great deal. I feel like that was good. So, but we got to give you the site or what when we do this unboxing so we can see what it look like. Oh, yeah. Make sure if you do it, get somebody to help you with it because the TV is large. It is a big TV. It is a big TV, but for a person who works out every day, you still got to be cautious. And just remember that, go at your own pace. So we're going to try to dissect this and get this out of here so we can see how it goes. So we're going to work on it. So I ain't had a TV in a while, so we're going to see how it goes. Come with the unpacking and the instruction, the installation guide. Unpacking and installation guide. Let's see. All right. We want to try to get everything correctly, you know what I mean? But apparently, it's supposed to be done with two people. So, it looks like I'm in a bad predicament right now. So, I might not do all of it today. This right here, I guess this is the accessory stand cover top. I don't see the names of this stuff on here though. So I guess I could put my TV on this stand. I think it's supposed to be two of them. Let's see. Going down. It's going down tonight. Tonight is go down. But you know what's so crazy? This is the catch. They want you to pick it up with 2 people, right? But since I'm here by myself, and you know what the best way to do this is? I'm about to cut the whole daggone box. If you can't pick it up by yourself, cut the whole box and just slide it out. Don't hurt yourself. You gotta think smarter. You know what I mean? Think smarter. Let me try to go to the other side. Wait, hold on. Look at this. The whole thing just comes up. I just saved the box. Let the whole thing come up. Hey, look at that. Let's tilt it down a little bit so y'all can see. We'll bring it back so y'all. Wow. It's going down. Looking for the stands though. So we got that part. So we got it out. The TV is actually pretty light. The TV is pretty light. So what they want me to do, they want me to lay it on the side. I don't have the area right now to lay it on my side, on the side. So I'm going to put like a towel, a sheet down, lay it flat, and put the handles on there. Let's see what we can do. So I'm probably gonna do another part of this because I'm gonna take this upstairs. I'm gonna take this upstairs and put it on my bed. That way I can use it as a flat surface to put it up. The TV is light, so I know I can make it upstairs with it. But let me see so you can see me. I'm gonna take it upstairs. The TV is pretty light, so I know I can take it upstairs. And we're gonna go from there. And I'm probably gonna put this TV in my room because this is a nice TV, 65 inch. It's about to go down. And it's crystal UHD, 65 inch, 163 centimeters. What's in the box, it have the TV, it have the stand, it have a smart remote, it got a power cord. So, but the good thing, I got this is a smart TV where I could, if I have Netflix, you can go to Netflix. But I like to do, I do the YouTube, so we're gonna have YouTube. So I can actually watch my YouTube just by the click of a button. And then go from there. I think the other thing, I really wish it had to it might have it on there. I'm gonna have to look into it later. But I wanna have it where I can do Amazon Prime, watch movies on Amazon Prime. If not, we're gonna still get that thing taken care of. So I'm not gonna hold y'all here longer, but this is what I have. Look at that. My TV. It's going down. It's going down. Very light. But we ain't gonna take no chances. Matter of fact, let me see if I can slide it back in here. Look at that. Look at that. Slide right back in that thing. So, what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to put this, I'm going to take it upstairs. My bad. I'm going to take it upstairs. And I'm going to assemble it upstairs. Because it said, because I didn't know. It said play down. I thought I could just put it on this way, but I got it laid on a flat surface, on something where it won't mess up the cover, and we're gonna do that upstairs. But I will give you a picture when I get done with it, and maybe do a little small video on it as well. But I want y'all to see my new TV, so this way I can move the other one so everybody can start, so I can have it where. I can move some of my stuff upstairs so you can be closer to the TV, so you can actually get more of the keyboard, more of the videos, so when I do the songs for you, and more of the entertainment and stuff like that. And I could just have more space down here, you know what I mean? But I will say, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee. I'll holler at y'all later. Y'all have a great day.